All right, I'll go check it out. I can't see. This is way too narrow for Dan. There's no way to really get the truck out there.
Is there anything over there? No. This time you need to follow me and I can do you.
Okay, let's go. Oh, and hairy. I think we're bushwhacking now. Yeah. I don't know if we can get over there. I'm gonna see if I can find a way though up here. I'm bushwhacking! I don't think Dan can go this way. This terrain is like so uneven though. It's like, oh, here's a trail. Follow this back out. Yeah, you can tell this one Dan was just on because it's all super mowed down. Like some boy with his dog drove through here. Think it's a big spider? Oh. I'm sorry. Please don't be mad at me. I just slipped. Can't see very well. Uh-oh, are we in trouble? I don't see anything promising over there. This is filmed in Mexico, okay? There's just nothing but third brake light. I'll see what I can find. Doesn't seem too muddy. Go for it, man. You go ahead of me. I'll see what's up here. There's an off-road trail. Everybody looks pretty shitty. Whee, doggies. Look at Moto over there. Who has a kickstart only dirt bike? What an idiot. Oh, is it gonna come off?